judiciary feels cornered? Recent Parliament not the Constitution 121st Amendment Bill 2014 and the National Judicial Appointments Commission Bill 2014 is indeed a momentous occasion. Reason: both deals with the country's most powerful organ, the judiciary, an institution more powerful than any of its counterparts in the world. The Parliament passed both laws in the last budget session with almost 100% support, an unprecedented show of solidarity in an array where ordinary statutes face fractured mandates. So belittling this initiative would amount to negating democracy itself, since these oaths, although indirectly, represent the voice of the citizens. Indian judiciary undoubtedly happens to be the pride of country and proves envious to others. Thus far, it is the bulwark of freedom and justice and provides a healing touch and objectivity. As a matter of fact, the Indian judiciary invented both the basic legal structure of the country as well as the system of public interest litigation. They exercises the widest and deepest judicial reviews in this world. But ironically, the history of judicial appointments in India has swung from executive primary till 1993 with a mixed executive and judicial influence, and thereafter an absolute judicial primacy with minimal executive role. Now it appears the new initiative is like a mixed economy, that's the proposed judicial commission with an even more balanced of judicial and non-judicial representatives. What matters now is how and with what objective and fairness the new government headed by Narendra Modi proposes to operate the new system. Is it not a fact that institutions are as good as its operators? Can anyone guarantee that the members of the NJC vow not to commit mistakes that have been committed in the past? What one expects is that the NJC should evaluate bar members and High Court judges on the merit of judgments they have written, cases they have argued, and their linguistic and analytical skills, reputation and integrity rather than other considerations while shortlisting them for responsible posts. But having tasted superiority for decades, will the judiciary likely to give up its wide powers and challenges to its basic structures so easily? That may be the reason why a public interest litigation has been filed in the apex court. In that backdrop, one bound to ponder has judiciary determined to take on executive. What if the judiciary struck down the parliament decision to bring in the new law? Does judiciary have such power to challenge the duly elected constitutional body like parliament, which is otherwise known as law-making body and voice of the nation or people?
Congress party, మీ దెబ్బ చేస్తున్నది ఏమిటి అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నా నేను. ఇవాళ ఇక్కడ కూడా చర్చ జరుగుతా ఉంది. ఇవాళ చర్చ